Welcome back. So now I'm back with the first type of application, which is talking freely with the chatbot. So here if I say, how are you? And click on the send button, it's going to respond. But if I type anything, let's say again, how are you? How are you? And hit enter, nothing will happen. And we don't want that. We want the user to have a better user experience. Once the user hits the enter button, we want to send this text as well. So now I'm hitting this enter button and nothing happens. So in order to accomplish that, in order to let the user send the message even if they hit the enter on their keyboards, we will also add another event listener to this text box. So inside main.js, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give myself here some space, and I'm going to use the text box dot add event listener. And guess what? The event listener will not be click. It's going to be key press. We want to listen for key press. Any key press on the keyboard, we want to listen for it. And then function with the event, E for event, and this is the callback function. What we need to do if the user hits or clicks on a button. What we need to do obviously is that we only need to send the message. We only need to send this message to the chatbot only if the button that the user clicked or hit is the enter button. We don't want to listen for other clicks. We don't want to send this message if the user clicks on another button. And it's very simple to accomplish that. You can use if statement, if, and then E, the event, dot which, and then if it's equal to 13, we are going to send the text. And what that means is that we are listening to key number 13, which is the enter button. So you need to remember that 13 is the enter button. If the button that the user clicked on is 13, which is the enter button, let me add here comment. If user hits the enter button on keyboard, which is 13, number 13, then at this point we will send the text. And how are we going to accomplish that? Very, very simple. We can just copy the complete code that was inside the click event, only this, and I'm gonna just paste it inside this if statement. And we are done. Let's now test. If I grab my browser and refresh, let's now type how are you? How are you? And if I hit enter, as you can see, the text message has also been sent. If I type again how are you, but if I hit another key on my keyboard, nothing will happen. Only if I hit the enter button, it's going to send it. And this is very important because lots of users use the enter button on their keyboards instead of using the send button. And that's in lots of applications and lots of websites and mobile phones as well.